So this is just pointing out some nice properties about infinity. Maybe should have even done that beforehand, before we did the last example, but we're just going in the order of the book. So notice what they're saying here. So we've got the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 is 1, and then the other one is infinity. So basically they're saying we're doing 1 plus infinity here, and it's pointing out, which we should really already know from Algebra 2, that if you do 1 plus infinity, that's still just infinity. And then what's the next one? They're saying x squared plus 1 is 2, basically. And the cotangent one is negative infinity. So we're doing 2 divided by negative infinity. And so they're pointing out here that if you do a number divided by infinity, that's just going to be 0, like it shows right here. So it might be like a slightly negative 0 if you think about how we did the last example. But negative 0, it's still just 0. So any number divided by infinity is 0. And then the next one, they're showing multiplication. They're showing that the limit as x approaches 0 of 3 is 3. Cotangent is infinity. So if you do 3 times infinity, that's still infinity. That's all these are pointing out. And this should all be kind of intuitive, maybe. If you take some massive number and you add anything to it, it doesn't change it. If you subtract anything from it, it doesn't change it. If you multiply or divide anything by it, it doesn't change it. But if you divide by infinity, you get 0.